Well, I wanted to do a quick unboxing video. Well, I'll explain what. Well, you can see it. It's a GoPro Hero 7 Silver. So I had a GoPro for several years. I got it right here. It's the original GoPro Hero, and it's bricked. It's garbage. I got it a little too close to some water spray, and it never worked again after that. So now I've got, and I apologize, I've got Lily, our new chick that we hatched out over here, learning how to be a chicken outside, and she is just squawking. So I needed a bunch of random mounts, so I just got a couple, and they're all the GoPro brand. I haven't even opened any of this stuff yet. Little floaty stick handle, don't know if I need that. Fancy schmancy new case to put it all in. 128 gigabyte card, a 64 gigabyte card. And I guess we'll go ahead and open this up and have a look. I don't even need that. Good Lord. So like I said, I bought the original GoPro Hero way back when. God, it's been, I had it for years, and it's been it was a very good, faithful camera for all those years. Never had any issues with it. Took fantastic video, fantastic audio. Remove. I hope I was supposed to do that. It said remove. There she is. It's a nice looking camera, and it's very comparable to my original GoPro here. A little more rounded, everything, there's a couple buttons in different spots, but sorry, I'm learning as I go here. Oh, I see, okay. Oh, it's in a... Sweet. It didn't even... That's pretty cool. I don't like having to learn a new thing, I don't even know where to plug it in. I should probably read the instructions. I think this came with some random mounts in here as well. Yeah, a couple of them in there. Oh, sweet, it's got the little, what is that, a USB Type-C connection? That's pretty awesome. But where do you plug it in? Where's the instructions? Oh, I see them. Okay. They got them hidden in here. Toss that down there for now. Okay. Where's English? And why is it not like the first thing in the book? Wait a minute. Product safety instruction. What? Oh. Oh. Hang on. Oh, I see. Okay, so this guy, just like I was starting to do, worried that I'm going to break it. What in the world? Oh, these mounts are all different too. Oh, I see. That was stupid. Oh, that was so stupid. Have to peel this cover off the back. Okay, I don't want to deal with setting it up right now, so let's turn off GoPro. There you go. I'm gonna get. Let's go with the 28 gig card. It's so horrible that theft is such a problem nowadays. They make these things just impossible. It's frustrating. I need to get a trash can over here. Don't want to lose this guy. I'll put it in my pocket for now. Alright, that's in there. Now we can turn it on. It's pretty awesome. Language English, is that okay? Or do you have to hit this one? Oh! I forgot it's got a touchscreen on it. Oh, what's the date today? Oh yeah, it's April 25th. $2020. Oh gosh darn it. I'm just bringing my phone over here so I can look at all this. 11:28 a.m. It's pretty awesome. It's got a... looks good, but I'm going to shut it off now. The setup's done. Nope. So I just wanted to do, I'm going to go back and start working on the flower bed, and I'm going to use this camera. I'm also going to film with the one that I'm filming with right now, because I've learned you never trust the camera the first time. But I'm going to film with the GoPro as well, and assuming it works out good, then the video you guys are going to see is going to be the video from the new GoPro. But I just wanted to do this unboxing. Yeah, and unfortunately, all this was it's about $500. Ugh, it's horrible. It is what it is, though. There's absolutely no beating the brand for what it is. I've learned that over the years. I was going to buy a cheaper one from Big 5, but I decided not to. I decided to stick with the brand because I was so pleased with the brand. Look at that, I just noticed my old one. You see that right there? My old one's broken. Oh well, it's going to go in the garbage anyway now. But anyway guys, thanks for watching this unboxing, and we'll get to building a flower bed now. Are we here? Oh yeah, there we are. Hey guys, how's it going? Hey, I hope you're having a great day. I just wanted to interject at the end of this video really quick because I wanted to go through a few more of the things I got for the GoPro. So we're gonna open them up right now. This is the carrying case. You know what, guys, I gotta be honest with you. So my wife bought all this stuff for me. She went out. I asked her to get me the action camera that they had at Big Five. It was a cheap one, but it's like $150, and I wanted an action camera. It's been so long since you guys remember the old GoPro broke. I'm sorry about the sound, guys. I got my little portable AC unit in here. Oh, that feels great. Anyway, so she sent me a picture from Walmart of a bunch of GoPros and asked if I wanted one, and I said, well, yeah, if they got, yeah, that would be amazing. And she asked, well, do you want the nice one? And I said, no, give me the cheapest one, which was the 7. The 8 was the nice one. And then she brought me back all this other fancy stuff with it too. So let's check out this case here. Can you guys hear? Everything's good, I hope. I think it is. It looks like it is. It's kind of got a nice hard bottom on it. Oh, okay, so it's got a bunch of little Velcro dividers in here. We'll just get rid of those for now because we don't really know where we want them, so we'll just toss them down there. Oh, look at that. Oh, and it says GoPro. Look at that. It says GoPro on it. That's awesome. This is a GoPro. It is. Look. That is sweet. So it's got a little net guy up there. So I want to see this guy. What is this? What's in here? What is this for? It's like a package inside of a package. Look at that. That is cool. Maybe I don't know, guys. I mean, it goes. It's got little belt loops. It goes. Maybe this is something to carry the GoPro on your belt, or something. I don't know, guys. If anybody knows, leave a comment down below and let me know. That's cool, though. I like it. This case is pretty cool too. Wow, she spent a fortune on these, but they're all genuine GoPro accessories, it looks like. So I like it. I'm gonna get this set up for the new GoPro. I've got it right here now, just transferring files over. Okay, let's look at this guy. Oh, there it is. Trying to figure out how to open this stuff. Not sure what that sound was. That air conditioner has not been running in a year. So this is the little floaty stick. I'm not sure when I'll use this, guys. Actually, that'd make a nice little selfie little handle, whether I use it for a floaty stick or not. I think actually I will use that, absolutely. Okay, now these guys. It's funny, you know, it's not very hot out there today. I mean, it's warm, don't get me wrong, it's warm, but I wouldn't consider it like super hot by any stretch of the word. So these are the little sticky back things, and I actually do use these. I got them all over my tractor. So we've got some flat round ones and some curved. Oops. So we will definitely be using these, mounting them on some equipment and stuff. So next here, these are the little mounts. Mounts. They're gonna go everywhere, I just know it. So yeah, just a bunch of little. So there's just your little standard guys here. Just your little standard guy mounts there. You've got a little. Come on, get out of there. Get off there. New little thumb screw thing there. I break those a lot. What is this guy? Oh, okay. So there's another one that's awesome. Oh, look at this. Hang on. in the base of this, we got some more sticky mounts. We'll use them. We will definitely use those. Oh, this guy. This is weird. It's like a little pivoting something. I'll have to figure out. I'm sure I'll use it for something, but awesome. So, oh, and we've also got, I don't know if I'll use it for the GoPro because I filmed a lot of stuff today, and it didn't even fill up a fraction of that 128 gigabyte card, but the 64 gigabyte one, maybe I'll leave it in the case. I just don't know. Anyway, guys, like I said, I wanted to interject on this video to talk about some of those other accessories because I did talk about getting them, and we didn't talk about them any further because I had to get into filming. I filmed so much today. But anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed. Subscribe if you haven't already. We're doing a lot of cool. I'm excited about some of the stuff that's going to be going on this channel. So anyway, thanks a million for watching, everyone.